Hey, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're showing you how to change the filter in your refrigerator. But before that, don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate it as always. Let's get to the video. Hey, thank you for tuning in to your review channel. Today we're talking about changing a couple of filters in a refrigerator. This is a Kenmore Elite refrigerator. I picked up a 2-pack from ICEPURE. I'll leave a link down below where you can get these. Check your model, check your manufacturer, and they have everything for pretty much every refrigerator. I try to buy the ones that have really the most coverage as far as taste, odor, and sediment, things like that. So that's really important as well. So that's super important. There's a 2-pack, there's 3-packs, there's all kinds of different ones. So let's take it out of the box and I'll show you how to change it. Really short and simple. So they come in a 2-pack, and you change these every 6 months. I find you can get a little bit longer than that. You'll know as soon as it starts tasting a little different. Here's the model number for this one. This is LG and Kenmore Elite. This should work. And it says recommends every 6 months, but like I said, you could probably go about a year. If you can taste it changing, then you definitely change it early. All right, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, as you can see the refrigerator here, and this is basically a lock and unlock system. Very easy to do. These are self-sealing, so it really won't drip a little bit. There is a small hole back here, so if there is some water, it will go right here. Put a couple paper towels there, a couple napkins, whatever. It shouldn't be a big deal. Just twist this and pull this one out. We just basically pop this one in and put it right back in. And I definitely recommend running the water just to get the filter flushed. That's what you definitely recommend, to get the charcoal wet and get everything flushed. And let's just pop this out. Okay, so you see lock and unlock. You just basically go to the unlock mode. Let me just put my napkins down there. Lock, unlock. Slides right out. Just like you see here. So this was a one I purchased from Kenmore. These are like $100. I don't think you need to spend $100. That's a lot of money. So I elected to get the different brand here. Take this off. Just like you see here. You just basically pop it in. Okay. Then you want to get it to it so it's flush. It's like here. And then you just want to go to the lock mode. Just twist it. And that's locked. And a little bit of, like I said, a little bit of water here leaked. And not a big deal. And just take the old one here and just discard it. That's all you have to do. So you can see when you first start it up, it's running through. I can actually hear it, and here comes the water now. The air coming through it, you can hear it. Much better. It was barely coming out before. Now you can see, whoa, there's some air. Let's take that, we'll dump that. Put it back, and just what you have to do, just to get it cleaned up and get everything organized, get the air out of it. And that's all you have to do. Just let it run through till the air bubbles stop coming through. You'll see it's all cleared up. Let it run through its pace. You can see that little water there, like that. Like 2 or 3 of these, and then you'll be all set. That's all you have to do. All right, guys, if you have any questions or any comments, leave down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next review.